Alright, let's gonna get this guy. I'm going that direction. And over here. Alright. Over here. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna start here, right? Where's my deal?
He got the electric. So how many have a pump on?
The line is good over there?
Keep going, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Alright, you're good, you're
Got
right
it?
now.
Okay.
Keep turning the truck off, don't keep turning it back on.
Okay, just pull that line up top of this. There you go. On the bottom. There you go.
Underneath it?
Underneath, yeah. Right there. There you go. I think that's the stop you say, huh? You got it pinned. There you go. Let me just change the angle a little bit. Let me go back there. Alright. Let me see if that's enough angle.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I think that one's go underneath, right?
Underneath it?
Yeah, because that one is only sticking on the glass. You can just pull down.
Yes, jump to the glass.
There you go.
There we go. You don't want to cut it.
Oh, I know.
Cut that screw.
That's the glass. Okay, I'm going to change the angle.
Oh yeah, because that motor up there, it just automatically sucks it up there. Where'd you get that one at?
This one,
Yeah.
I made all this with the pump, and this one I just buy the pump. I just make it the box. This is my little bumper here. Yeah, I use this one when I have a cut winches like this. When you don't feel it, like, you know, it's not gonna cut the suction cup, it's fine. But it's already, and it has a magnet, so when you have metal, you can just stick it somewhere. This is aluminum, so that's why. Why is too tight? To be glue is too tight. There you go. The clip is broken. Finally. Yeah, so the clip's gone. Let's try. Even on the crack. Huh? Oh no, the crack on the glass. Alright, so because the pin, you see that tab is very big. Let's see. So we're gonna just do the double loop with it, and it's gonna just break in the clip. Not breaking, but it's gonna make it cat. Yeah, I broke the first one.
Yeah, what about
that one? We're gonna just, with the double loop, that's gonna be just cut it without break it. So that way we can just pop out. That line is snapping many times. Alright, so let's go to close the gap here. There you go. Alright. See the pin right there?
Yeah.
Got it? What I'm catching. You got it? Alright, there you go. Just put it down. Down. There you go, man. Okay guys, so we finished to cut them out. Now we're gonna lift it. I mixed something here. Ah, man. Just put this one right here. That's it. Alright, so just catch one. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a fun today. Alright.
That's just like my truck. Mine's gray.
Yeah.
Mine's just a little higher.
Oh, the gray one?
Mine's gray.
You got a crack right there, so we need to find is no crack. Probably right there. Okay. Alright, let's see, probably maybe more down there, right there maybe. Well, I'm gonna be sure. Go the other side. I think I have to move this one. Cause you're too short, right?
You're good, you're good.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's gonna be a little difficult. You got it?
Ready?
Alright. Go that way. On top of here, you want? See right there. There you go. You got it? There you go. So next time this one is just clips. Got it. The good thing is they got a big guys over here, so there you go. There you go. So now the front one. Okay, so we got two plugs, right? So this one, so antenna.
That goes there.
The snapping.
Then these plug in the sides over here.
Alright, let's plug the cross to here. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna get...
You just slide it in. How do you get that out?
Oh, those little pins right here. You see those little ones? In and out. Alright. Alright. This one over here, one of these guys now in this one, see it? It's like, there you go. Yeah, that's what I do. I push it, because when you hit it, they come back. So this one are in already. There you go. You got it in. There you go. And that's it. More simple, huh? Alright, man. Okay guys, so we finished, so thank you and see you next shot.